Here's how to fix any TikTok bug. Now, if you open up the TikTok app, maybe it's not loading, it's crashing, there are all kinds of bugs, or it's just not working as normal. I'm going to walk you through 3 different steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, the first thing you can do is open up a web browser, Safari, Google Chrome, it doesn't matter what. And we're going to type in is TikTok down. Basically go to down detector here, and we're going to check to see if TikTok has a bunch of reported outages. A common reason why people open up the app and it's not working as normal is because TikTok servers are down or not working as normal. If you see a huge spike in reported outages, you just need to wait a few hours until they get all of that fixed, and then you should be able to use it as normal. Now, if this looks normal like it does here, the next thing we're going to do is open up a new tab, and we're going to type in speed test and hit run speed test. Now on here, you want to make sure that you have a good and stable internet connection. Anything over say 5 megabytes per second should be fast enough to load up any videos and play those videos as normal, likes, comments, follows, all of that stuff. So after you check both of those things, the last thing that we'll do is we'll hop out of here and open up your settings. Now let's tap on general and then iPhone storage. Now this is for your iPhone. If you're on an Android, you're going to clear the cache, delete the app, and reinstall the TikTok app. But on here, I'm just going to tap on TikTok, tap offload, and then reinstall the app. The nice thing is that your iPhone allows you to do a fresh install of the TikTok app. Now that we made sure the servers are up and running, your internet is up and running and working, and then we've installed a fresh new version of TikTok, we should be able to open it up and watch videos, use it as you normally would, and everything should be working as fine. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.